Today's crochet letter of the day is T. If you guys want to learn how to make T, stay tuned for the tutorial. It is beginner friendly. I've already done A through T, so I do have a playlist. If you guys miss any of the letters, go to the playlist and look up your letter that you're looking for. Tomorrow will be you, okay? Let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is chain 11, and into the second stitch from the hook, so not the first one, but the second stitch, we're going to put a double crochet. And then for each stitch all the way down to the end, put one double crochet in each stitch. So in total, you should have 10 stitches. Once you have your 10 double crochet stitches, what you're going to do is go in the middle of the last double crochet that you made, and we're just going to put a slip stitch. So go in the middle of the double crochet and slip stitch. And then we're going to slip stitch at the base of our last double crochet. We're going to turn our work over and we're going to start working on this side. And the way you're going to know that you're going into the stitch is by looking at these little loops right here, these little slants, okay? And we're just going to slip stitch over 4 spaces. So I'm going to go in my first little slit, make a slip stitch, next one, make a slip stitch, and then slip stitch over 2 more times to make 4 in total. All right, so now you see that we slip stitched over. So now we're like kind of in the middle of our T. Now you're going to chain 11. And once you've chained 11, not this first stitch, but the second stitch, we're going to put a double crochet. And for each stitch down, we're going to put 1 double crochet in each stitch. So in total, you will have 10 double crochet. Once you've done your 10 double crochet going back up, now we're just going to connect our T. So we're going to go over like 2 more little slits right here. And we're going to do a slip stitch there to connect our T together. And chain 1 and get your scissors and cut a small short tail for weaving in. Remember to weave your ends in at the end of each letter that you do, and also blocking makes them look better. For the purpose of the video, I'm not going to weave in. I'm just going to cut the tails off. And here is your T.